Hello there, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at our new AI features on the web inventory. Right now, I'm going to act as if I'm a customer on the web inventory. I'm going to go into my inventory here. So you can see now we have this button called Axon AI. When the customer clicks on Axon AI, if he's not a customer that you've been working with for a long time, they will have to create a new customer. So we're going to click here on Axon AI. It's going to ask us to add our information. So me as the customer, and then we're going to type in the information here. A note, if it's regarding anything for the project, we're going to put that here. Then you can add a file. This is not really mandatory, but you can add a file in there. And then, for example, we can send the AI request that's going to load. When that page loads, you can upload the information or drag and drop. If you're in a smartphone or a tablet, you can take a photo. In my case, I'm just going to upload a photo. Here's the image, and then here's the slab that I've selected. I can then say, for example, island or kitchen island. Then you click on generate. It's going to generate the new image with this slab being replaced. So now that it's done, we can see how the image looks. We can also export it here at the top. We can add a new photo or undo what we have done and do it again. But as you can see, the image has the reflections of everything and it looks really good. Your customer can now see what that will look like on his actual photo without having to do the 3D or anything like that. You can basically get an idea of how that's going to look before the customer even gets to the point of buying a slab. So he can now do it a lot easier and a lot faster by using Axon AI. He's also going to have a projects interface where he can see his projects, see attached slabs, and the timeline of how that is going. So right now it doesn't have any attached slabs yet because the project has not started, but once it starts, then you'd have the attached slabs here, which are the ones that they have selected. And our team also gets on their email a request like this where we can go to the link, and the customer also gets this. They also can go to the link and have access to their inventory and the project. So projects will be here as I showed you, and the inventory is the other part where you can then go and do other AI generated information. He also has a number of credits which are basically going to be determined by you when you set up your settings. So for example, I'm going to my settings here in match, company, and then we scroll down to the bottom where we have default Axon credits for each customer. So our default here is set to 10, but you are free to change this to whatever number you want, and this is going to be something that you can control. So in my case, each customer has 10 credits which they can use and generate AI images with these slabs. If your customer loses the access to the link, for example, he forgets where he stored the link or he didn't save as a bookmark, you can always share with them by, for example, searching customer name, clicking on edit, and then copying this link and sharing it with them. You can also change the Axon credits here at any time, and when you send it to him, he will have access to that page again. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.